Hello. I have spent 3 days trying to get this video filmed and I think it's so funny. Why are you licking the wall? I think it's so funny because it's not that hard. I just haven't had time. It's another chaotic cooking video with me being very hungry, as always. Why do I wait till I'm starving to film these? I don't know. Okay, but if you haven't seen from the title of this video, we are making
banana oatmeal pancakes.
And I'm sure you're like,
haven't you probably already done this before?
And the answer is nah, I have not. And I'll admit, I'm a little nervous. I am a little nervy. Yeah, so I think I already over-greased the pan. There's one thing there, but yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna go for it. It's a very simple 3-thing recipe. Well, 4, because I'm adding chocolate chips on top. I love chocolate chips. Chocolate chips? But yeah, I'm nervous because I don't want to burn them. I would like to be able to eat them. So without further ado, let's just do it. Without further ado, do it. Ha! Okay, I have my supplies. Here are my bananas. They are overly ripe like they're supposed to be. We're gonna be using just one for starters because I don't know if 2 will fit in my NutriBullet? Magic Bullet. I don't know the difference. So we're gonna start with 1. So I have my little NutriBullet cup. We're going to peel this very ripe banana. I don't know about you, but the smell of banana is easily one of my most favorite smells ever. It's so slimy. I've never had a banana this ripe before. Yeah, we're gonna have to break her off. My only goal is to not drop this on the floor. And not because I'm afraid of falling. Okay, here's where I'm getting nervous, is I have this, and I need to fit a cup of milk of choice, I'm using almond milk, and a 1.5 cups of granola. So we're just gonna go for it and hope for the best. I'm gonna start with the little one. Give it a good death shake. A good death shake is what kind of gets it all to settle. Oh, and I'm already making noise. Yeah. I'm gonna go slow. Slow and steady, right? This is actually working. Is this gonna fit perfectly? I guess my almond milk is a little bit separated. Should I scoop that in there? I'm gonna scoop that in there. It's making fart noises. Okay, this is very exciting. Okay, we're gonna take this and hopefully without making a large mess, throw it on the NutriBullet. I'm grabbing my towel. If these are this quick and easy to make, this could become a regular thing in my life because I love me some bananas. Okay, everyone pray that this works. Okay, so far so good. It's really only doing what it's at the top, so maybe I gotta shake it off, shake it off. Why won't you go? We're gonna try something. We're gonna scoop. Like, see, it's like sticking. This is the kind of smoothie you use for like a milkshake. Look how long it is. There we go. There we go. It's feeling less clumpy at the bottom now. Round 3. I think that's as good as we're gonna get. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna put it on 3. 3's safe. Oh, I need my spatula. Don't freak out, I got my spatula. So it is probably hot and I'm just gonna make a pancake. I've literally it's been years since I've made pancakes. When was the last time I had a pancake? This is a journey of me making foods that I haven't had in a very long time. That's not very pancakey. Okay, that is one thick, fluffy pancake. Is it weird to watch the pancake? To be honest, I'm just nervous, so this is just gonna turn into a video of me staring at pancake batter cook. It's starting to smell very good. I mean, I feel like that's a really fluffy pancake. This is my new hobby, watching food cook. It's like starting to look brown on the bottom. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna try. Okay, sit down for 2 minutes. It's a pancake! It's a pancake! I'm gonna flip it again. Wow, that looks like a pancake. Okay, you guys, oh, look at her in the sunlight. Look at her. They smell amazing. I'm plating that one. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more olive oil down to make the rest. Oh yeah, we have a ton of batter left. The line is up here. I know it's hard to see. Is this my new talent? Am I actually good at cooking? How did this happen? I'll tell you how, I just follow directions. Well, we all know that's a lie. We all know I like to tweak recipes all the time. I forgot to put chocolate chips. Well, my mom wanted a plain one anyway. Oh no, chaos is starting to ensue. More pancake plates. I'm kind of nervous about flipping it now. This one might be a flop. Oh man, the humor, just the jokes. I'm very nervous, excited. I'm also very hungry. I think I'm gonna go ahead and flip her. I think we're gonna go for it. I was just trying to drink my cup of water and I almost spilled it all over myself because my hand is shaking because I'm that nervous. I'm glad we're experimenting and figuring out how this is gonna work. Look at the sunlight on me right now. Wow. It's bouncing off the water outside. I feel like it's solid enough. We're gonna go for it. I'm gonna try to flip her. Don't know if this one worked as well. I don't know. I don't know if that, yeah. We tried. We might have to stick to not that. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna try something different this third time. 3 times the charm, right? I mean, the first one looks perfect, but it doesn't have chocolate chips. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cup, a couple scoops of chocolate chips into it. Let's try this version now. I mean, she's not perfectly round, but maybe this method will work. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, you can kind of shape it. Back in the system. I'm prepared. I think when it's done, we're gonna try one bite with no syrup, just plain, to really get a good taste test, and one with. Sounds a good idea, I think. I think I'm gonna go ahead. Everybody pray. Oh, it's a big one. This one might be too big. Maybe it's too soon. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna flip it yet. You must wait. You must wait. I was too overzealous, too excited, because I really want to eat it, and there's 2 finished here. We've reached max impatience. Okay, I think I'm flipping out. It's just so soggy in the center. Oh. Oh my goodness. Has the lighting gotten weird because the sun is setting, or am I like still okay lit? I guess I'll find out in editing. I can't wait to clean this pan. We are going to try to plate her. Oh, why am I setting this over there? Set this over here. Okay, okay, you guys. Look at her. Oh, look at her lit up. I mean, she isn't perfect, but who is? This looks really good. Please don't burn my tongue. Are you kidding me? What? These are so good. Okay, so the oats kind of keep like this little bit of a crunchiness to them, like on the surface that where they touch with the banana is so good and sweet, and the chocolate. Okay, we gotta add a little syrup. Oh my goodness, we added a little syrup. Oh, look at that, look at that. Okay. Are you kidding me? These are so good. Why would you make pancakes any other way? Wow. Okay, as always, it has come to that point in the video where I've made it, it was delicious, and now I really want to inhale the rest of it, but I need to end this video and say goodbye to all you beautiful people. So, ending notes, make this. If you want chocolate chips, put them in the batter. Duh, didn't think of that. Treat yourself, do this. You need to do it now. Yeah, subscribe if you want to see next Sunday's video, if you want to stick around for some more. Like this, if you like pancakes, and if you don't like pancakes, I don't know what you're doing here on this video. Are you okay? Do you need help? Let me know. And comment down below other things to put in pancakes. I will literally put anything in a pancake. Especially this pancake. Wow, it's so good. And I can have more tomorrow. What else? Oh, if you make these pancakes and take a picture and you tag me at Pauline Does Things on the Instagrams, I will shower you in emojis. And you can follow me on TikTok, that's what it's called, at Pauline Makes TikToks. Okay, anything else? No, I think I'm good. I need to inhale this now, so I must go. I'm so sorry. I must leave now. Thank you for your time. I must inhale this pancake. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye now. Toodaloo. I have pancakes to inhale. Bye.